Hi, it's Gavin again from Lucid Computer Solutions. How are we doing today? So, nice, straightforward, fun unboxing video again for you today. And I will be unboxing this. So this is another laptop from Dell. This is a Precision 3540. Really good spec on this particular one. It's an i7 processor in this one. I think it's got 8 gig of RAM, although I think we will be upgrading the RAM to something a bit more substantial. I'm just going to put this down here because I need the sellotape on these boxes can be so tight. There we go, I've undone it now. So yeah, so let's take a first impressions look at this Dell Precision laptop. So yeah, this is a high spec machine, i7 processor, 8 gig of RAM. I think this one's got a 256 gigabyte SSD in it. So the idea for this laptop is a little bit of a kind of workstation spec. So although it's not going to be doing proper CAD design, it will be viewing CAD images. So the spec needs to be quite decent, hence the spec I just mentioned. So I've just taken it out of the box for the first time, and this is the Dell Precision. Let's take a look together. First time I've seen it as well, so genuinely first impressions for me as well. What I would say straight away, and this is the difference between a budget laptop and something a bit more pricey like this one, that feels so much nicer than the plastic on the budget laptops. That feels nice. I like it. Straight away I like that. I'm easily pleased, aren't I? But I don't like the cheap plastics. I like that. So here we go. Let's take a look. So it is a 15-inch laptop. So it has the full keypad, as you can see, along with the number pad on the side. Lovely looking machine, I think, for businesses. That's a really nice looking machine. I've not had chance to, obviously because I just unboxed it, I've not had a chance to properly review this. I will do a separate review video, no doubt, but I can tell you straight away, looking and just having a little play on that keyboard, that's a nice keyboard as well. I can tell you that already. I can just tell I love keyboards. I'm a bit weird like that. So yeah, so first impressions of this Dell Precision 3540 laptop unboxing. Nice. So far so good. I like the feel of it. I like the look and feel of that keyboard. I have high hopes for this. I mean, it's not a budget laptop. It's not super expensive either. We'll do a full review. I keep saying that purely from my memory, and I could be completely wrong here, so big disclaimer. But I think this one was about, this spec was about £700-800. So it's not cheap, but it's not ridiculous either, is it? So yeah, I will have a play of that and come back to you. And I hope you enjoyed this lovely unboxing / first impressions of the Dell Precision 3540. I will see you on the next video, no doubt. So that's been me, Gavin from Lucid Computer Solutions. Please do smash the like button for me. Please do subscribe to the channel. We're releasing new content all the time, up to 3 videos a week. Likewise, use the links below to connect with me on the likes of LinkedIn, Instagram and Twitter. Please do comment on the video. I try and engage and get back to everybody myself. And yeah, look forward to seeing you next time. Bye-bye.